If you're watching this, you've exhausted all possibilities of manipulating the frame to get the leaves level. If you haven't yet, there is a section within the instruction booklet which tells you how to manipulate the frame to align your leaves, whether that be moving the frame legs forwards, backwards, in, out, and jacking them up. If you're still struggling, this video now will show you how to adjust the hinges. Here we see the Teckentrup side hinge door. 3 3D hinges per leaf. I've got something different for you today. What do you notice about this door? Concealed hinges within the frame. That means there's no obvious point of attack. Gives it a beautiful aesthetic all the way around, that ultra modern look, and it also means that trimming up is a breeze. But first, let me show you the hinge. This is our new concealed hinge, which is completely sunk within the frame. Very strong and very durable. When adjusting the door leaves through the hinges, it's important to make sure your door leaf is supported. We use windbags for this. Pop them underneath, pump them up. Your door leaf is now supported, leaving you free to adjust your hinges. Adjustment of all of the concealed hinge fixings are done via a T25 key. The 2 fixings on the frame are used to do door leaf to frame clearance. This enables you to move the door leaf tighter against the seal or further away depending on your requirements. These 2 fixings on the concealed hinge are your door leaf, moving it in the horizontal plane. By adjusting top and bottom, it's not only possible to move left and right, but also pivot the door backwards and forwards in the horizontal plane. These 2 fixings here allow adjustment of the door in the vertical plane. It releases a clamp that allows you to slide up and down, so you're restricted by your frame at the top and the threshold at the bottom. If you're struggling for access with these, what we advise is to pencil mark these 2 fixings so you know where they sit, then remove this whole assembly, and it gives you then the ability to remove the leaf and have full access to the height adjustment.